All right, everybody. We had a issue, and all of these plants were pretty mature, but as you can see, they bolted, and so unfortunately, to try and get these back into a vegetative growth phase is going to be very difficult. These flowering portions here are what they call bolting, and it can be from stress, it can be from mature age, all that stuff. But look how big these leaves got. I mean, they're so they're so big. And they're thick. I mean, that's crazy for basil. In reality, I think these were just mature, too mature to go on. I mean, these right here were beyond 4 months old. I think these were like 3 months old, and I'm not sure what the lifespan is for basil, but I'm pretty sure it's not more than several months without very specific maintenance to keep them in vegetative mode. But we have a very controlled temperature in here. It's usually in the 60s, which is a hard thing for hydroponics buckets full of water. So we're going to try maybe another plant in hydroponics, or maybe even go back to trying some more mushrooms. If I do the mushrooms, we're looking at possibly a whole new setup in here. And I just got this light set up, so I really kind of want to use it again, but I just don't know what to grow. So we're going to check it out. I will keep you updated as soon as I know. If you have any suggestions, definitely leave them in the comments below. Also, I appreciate all of you reaching out to me. A lot of you have been suggesting to go back to trying mushrooms again. I just don't know which kind of mushrooms to make. Oyster mushrooms, button mushrooms, creminis. Let me know. Tell me what you think. Even if you have hydroponics stuff to grow, let me know.